Hello, my name is Jester and I would like to introduce you to my next webinar on Monday, 2nd of November. It's about vitamin D. Vitamin D is a very essential vitamin and it could cause very severe damages in your body and diseases if you don't have enough of this. It could be produced into your skin, but not at this weather, cloudy, foggy and no sunshine and raining. So you need, by the way, a lot of this vitamin D, and maybe you are able to produce it, but on the other hand, what you could do and what could be the diseases, that's what I will tell you on Monday 2nd at 8 p.m. And by the way, it's the day of vitamin D, the World Day of Vitamin D. So join me, be together with me, and you could ask questions whenever you want. So please be online Monday 2nd of November at 8 p.m. Your Frank. Bye bye.